Hello, today I will be doing a science experiment on multiple reflection. For that, we need a protractor to measure the angle, a mirror. I have taped the corners of two mirrors because when two or more mirrors are placed at some angle to each other, we get to see multiple images. As the image formed by one mirror acts as an object for the second mirror. Then we need an object. For this experiment, I will be using a pen as my object. So let's get started. I would place my protractor on a white sheet of paper and then place the mirror at an angle of 90 degrees. Then I would place my object, that is the pen, in front of the mirror. We would see that three images are formed on the mirror. The number of images formed depends on the angle between the two mirrors. This can be calculated by using the following formula. Number of images equals to 360 degree divided by angle or theta minus 1. So, if the given mirrors are at a right angle to each other, three images will be formed. So, as the angle of mirror reduces, the number of images increases, and as the angle of mirror increases, the number of images decreases. Thank you.